become baby frogs.
Okay. Thanks.
These are all so cool. There's gorilla, mosquito, praying mantis, anteater, baby anteater, tree frog, butterfly.
What are you looking at, buddy?
Can you read that, Micah? Can you read the letter?